Hey guys, what's happening today? I want to talk to you about commercial window cleaning, how to get it, how to do it, how to brand yourself to make it happen more. If you don't know who I am, no problem. I'm Timmy Riggs. I own Streakers Window Cleaning, which is window cleaning, pressure washing, Christmas light business. I've had it now for 4 years full-time. 2 years part-time before that. So I love to talk to guys that are kind of in that transition zone or saying like, hey, I'd love to maybe jump from my 9 to 5, get my home service business started, right? I'm on a journey of trying to scale my business. I learned from some really great guys on YouTube, so I like to throw it back at you, right? So we're here doing some commercial cleanings. This is like one of 5 major commercial jobs I do throughout the year. I mean like big, right? So we're at a campus that has a ton of buildings, dorms, classrooms, things like that, but we focused on 5 major buildings that they wanted us to clean and then a bunch of entryways. So I want to talk to you about just like a few ways to get these jobs. That's something I get questions about a lot. How do I get commercial jobs? So I want to talk to you about that and then kind of even how I do it, the system in which I do it. So let's talk about kind of how I get them to begin with and then some things that help me throughout the process of getting them. All right, so obviously look at all these panes, beautiful, big job. Took us multiple days, 2 days outside was 1 full day, inside was another day. But first thing that I think is really important to remember when you're starting this process, you're trying to scale and grow your business. I do both commercial and residential, right? You're not gonna get this job right away. It's just the way it is. You're not ready for it and you wouldn't know how to bid it. And so a lot of it comes with experience. So that's what I find in this business is if you're willing to keep your head down for 2 years, you're gonna see growth on the other side. I follow a lot of great guys, hate to name drop because I don't wanna forget the guys that I learned from, but Spencer Clays is awesome. Steve Hunsaker, I've actually talked to him, great guy, really encouraging. The Pinks guys, the Mint Window Cleaning guys, those are all guys that have scaled their business past where I'm at, and so I've learned from them. The common denominator is it's hard work, okay? Like, so if you see some clips where guys are like, you can go out, you can make $1,000 a day, $1,500 a day, sure, it's gonna take time, it's tough to do, okay? So the #1 rule in getting large commercial jobs is don't quit, okay? You gotta put in the time, you gotta put in the effort. Now, I will say this was a caveat in the sense that I went to school here. So 12 years ago, I knew a lot of people who work here, and so as they've seen my business grow, they've grown in confidence that I actually can get the job done. I finally got a call to be able to bid these buildings and land it. So kind of the one piece is networking. The more people you get to know, the more opportunities you're gonna have throughout the long run. So don't stop getting to know people, because as you talk about your business and you let other people know about your business, it is gonna be something that opens doors later on that you didn't expect, right? And so I wasn't beating them down every day saying, hey, can I come quote, can I come quote? I just would have conversations here and there where let people know this is my business, and they were like, okay, yeah, like let's see what you can do. Second piece of that is I've got pretty strong branding, okay? I've got a truck wrap. It looks professional, it is professional. I have other professional commercial jobs, and so getting this one, it was like, yeah, you do other commercial jobs, but this one was landed strictly through networking. I have another very large commercial client that I do throughout the year, and the way I got them, truly, cold email. So another thing about how I get commercial is that when I'm driving around, I'm taking notes. When I see big buildings with lots of windows, I'm noting that building. When I get home, I hop online, I go to their website, and if the only thing I can find is contact support, I'll send them a little email saying, hey, Streakers Window Cleaning, we would love to quote your beautiful windows, can we come by? And you know, a lot of the times, you're not gonna get anyone that replies, but sometimes you do. That's actually how I landed my largest recurring commercial job. Cold email like that, they reached out, I bidded the whole thing, the timing was right, and I got the job. I've had them for over 2 years now. So like, don't hesitate, right? Even sometimes I go into buildings, I find the receptionist, I said, hey, can I meet with the property manager? And there's been times where that's happened. Sometimes they're like, yeah, we already have a cleaner, and I say, okay, can I leave you my card? Can I leave you my information? They say no problem, right? Sometimes I get to meet with the property manager, talk about quoting, you know, and so I've got a couple smaller jobs that way, and so that's really important. back to the networking, one of the large churches and schools that I got one time is because I actually went and cleaned this guy's condo for $75, okay? It was really small, just a quick clean, and he was like, hey, would you mind, my church would like to have a quote for window cleaning. I didn't know what this church was gonna look like, but I was like, yeah, for sure. I get over there, huge church, huge school, ended up being a great contract for a couple years, so you never know what's gonna lead to something bigger, right? So it's always worth it. Bring your best in every scenario. Your brand is your reputation. So you want to build a strong brand in your community, in your city, just by showing up on time, communicating well, being where you say you're gonna be at the time you say you're gonna be there, and all those things are gonna lead to bigger jobs. Trust me, it all compounds over time. And again, it's just don't quit, don't give up. 24 months, 36 months, keep pounding the rock. Another thing that is really helpful for my branding, for landing commercial jobs, is the next thing I want to talk about. And this is a thing that is what's sponsoring this video, which I have said in other videos before that I'm not talking about them just because I'm sponsored by them. I'm talking about them because it's a product that I believe in, that I use, that helps me land commercial jobs. And that is Jobber. That's my CRM, my customer relation management software, right? It is by far one of the things in the last year and a half that has truly helped grow my business, has helped my branding, has helped me look more professional, right? So on this job specifically, right? I come out here, I count up all the windows, I hop into my Jobber, I make an account for them, which actually was already pre-made when they filled out that they wanted a quote, right? So Jobber, when someone goes in, fills out your contact form, that creates them as a lead, that creates them as a customer lead. All their information's in there already, makes it super simple. After I tallied everything up, I went back in, I threw all those tallies together, right? Had my quote, I saw the price, saw what it was gonna be. Giving you an example of it here. Those weren't the actual numbers, but just kind of showing you what it looked like. Then I sent it off, right? They're able to hop in there through the link they got in the email and the text, look at all the line items and decide whether, hey, is this something I'm gonna approve or decline? They approved it. It lets me know right away that I approved it. So what's great about that is either for me as a business operator, like I can look in and see it, but if I had an admin, he or she would be able to let me know of the notifications coming through. And so it's great for teams, it's great as a single operator, whatever it is, right? From there, I see they accepted it, I go in, I schedule it, boom, we're ready to go. Really little friction. Okay, what does that do in my brand building? Jobber makes me look professional. I am professional, and it brings me to that level of professionalism. So if you are someone that is saying, yeah, like I'm at a spot where I am getting enough jobs where my calendar's kind of getting, filled up, I need to do better at bringing in leads, figuring out how to like organize my leads and keep my customers intact. There are multiple different tiers in Jobber, and whether you have a scaling business or you're just getting started, it's something I really believe in. Cool part is, as a Jobber ambassador, you can try it for free for 14 days. Check my link out in the description of this video. It's definitely worth it. It's free, 14 days, right? After that, you get a pretty big discount. So I would say check it out. And there's so many ways, again, that Jobber's really helpful. One of the ways being is the way that I accept payment. So at the end of this, I will send them the invoice, and it will be something that really streamlined, really little friction, allows them to pay either right there through the app, which is so convenient. And the question I get all the time, guys saying, man, how do I collect payments, right? Like, this is all in shop. So whether you're a window cleaner, pressure washing, landscaping guy, HVAC guy, whatever home service, small business you've started, or a big business, Jobber is something you should give a try for. Again, I'm a huge believer in it. Check it out. So many different ways that you can use it. I have an employee now. He's behind the camera, and Elijah is someone that I'm going to set up an account for inside my Jobber. Beautiful part is that's where he can check scheduling. He doesn't have to bother me with long, boring texts anymore. He can just jump into Jobber, see what our next jobs are for the next coming days. When he gets those jobs, boom, clocks in. At the end of the day, clocks out. So many amazing things that Jobber can do. So check it out. And that is the portion of our sponsored ad. Let's move into one more thing that's really helpful when it comes to doing commercial jobs. So the last piece of doing commercial jobs that's really helpful is I'm now getting to the place where I'm hiring. So I brought on Elijah. He's crushing it. He's learning super fast. He's asking the right questions. He's really sociable. One of my tips for hiring is absolutely look for the person that already has great social skills and is a hard worker. Everything else is teachable, right? Elijah shows up to houses. He's talking to people. He's shaking hands. I'm not having to teach him how to do that. I have to teach him how to squeegee, but he's already picked that up pretty fast. So the things that are important in brand building, he's already got in his bones, which is great. He's been great at door knocking, great at throwing up some door hangers. Like, he's crushing it. Hiring means that you are going to have some bigger problems to deal with as a business owner, some new stressors, right? One of those being insurance, right? So I already had general liability insurance, but I did have to make sure that I had a good, strong workers' comp policy. I actually went through USAA, which is typically only for veterans. If you're a business owner, you can use USAA because they actually provide other products for business owners. They kind of sub out to some other companies. So I have a traveler's insurance workers' comp policy, and the beautiful part about that is there are a lot of commercial jobs that you won't be able to get unless you have a workers' comp policy. So look into it. It is a little bit more expensive. It's over $200 a month to have a good workers' comp per individual, as far as I can tell right now. But as your business scales, that's something that's going to be really important for growing your business and landing commercial jobs. With that said, as far as doing it again each day, I just set up, hey, let's attack this building. Let's get as much done as we can. I'm pretty experienced, so there were some buildings we did faster than I thought. Some buildings it took a little longer than I thought. But overall, we're right on track, and I just wanted to share that information with you. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments, hit me in my Instagram DM. But again, don't forget about that jobber link if you're interested in trying out a CRM for free for 14 days. With that said, keep crushing it. Keep working hard, head down, keep moving forward, don't give up, take the next step that seems scary. And remember, in the meantime, enjoy the here while you're working to get there.